Okay, so I've decided to do a quick tutorial on how to speed up doing airdrops. It can take a little while if you're not careful, but there's a couple of ways that you can save yourself a lot of time. So the first thing that I do is open up this spreadsheet. This is a spreadsheet that I keep updated daily, well, several times a day actually. It's got all the most recent airdrops in there, and it gives you a bit of information about each one, links and names of it. Task to complete gives you a little idea of what you get getting yourself into, a little bit of an idea of how difficult it is, and your reward at the end of it. After that, I open up just a notepad file. I'll save this on the computer, and in it it's got all the different profile addresses. So this is to save you having to go get them every time that you're asked for them when you're doing airdrops, which will be quite regular. It's also got things like email address, Twitter and Telegram name, your Ethereum address, just stuff like that. So we'll use this as an example. Go through an example one. So you click on that and then open up the link. So it'll open up the airdrop, and I've already done this one, but we'll go through it again now. Complete the Google form successfully. So that's below. We'll fill that in a minute. Follow us on Twitter, so we'll open up this, and you just click follow there. Like and retweet the pinned tweet using the hashtags, these hashtags. So we'll just copy those. I've already liked and retweeted this, so it's not going to let me do it again. But you just put your tags in there and tweet it out. Okay. Next thing, join Telegram. So you click on a Telegram link. I'm not going to open up my Telegram at the moment, but when it opens up, you just click on join, and it'll put you into their Telegram channel. And you need to stay in the channel until after the airdrop has been distributed. If you leave the channel earlier than that on Telegram, then most airdrops won't give you the tokens. So on to fill in the forms in. Email address. Oops. Just Control-C to copy, or you can copy it from right-click and copy, then Control-V, or right-click and paste. Twitter account URL. So copy that, paste it. Retweet URL. We'll go get that. So it's in your just on your profile. Scroll down to it, and there it is. So you click on the little down arrow there and copy link to tweet. I think I can show that now, and just paste that in there. Telegram handle from there, and paste in your ERC20 compatible wallet address. That's just your Ethereum address. Copy that and paste it in there, and then you'd submit that. I'm not going to submit it. I've already done it, and obviously these aren't my details anyway. We'll leave that open for now. So that'll be it. I don't know what's that take, 2 or 3 minutes, not very long anyway. After that, you want to keep a record of all your airdrops. I advise you to anyway. It can get quickly out of hand if you don't. So I use a separate spreadsheet to this, but I've put a little tab on here that you can use if you want. So company name, Rails, and it's the RLZ token. And the link, if you'd registered or something like that, you can just put a link to the site where you've registered. On this one, I'll just copy this link and paste it in there. That's it. You've got a copy of the airdrop. Saves you duplicating it in the future, and you can chase up your tokens if you need to. Tokens can take a while to be delivered. Sometimes it's sort of 2 or 3 months, and sometimes you'll never get them, unfortunately. But a lot of them do pay out, so it's worth chasing up. And that's it. I'll link to this spreadsheet underneath the video, and thanks for watching.